Emojis are an incredible technological advancement in writing because they allow writing to have a body. They allow you to see my face, right, in some way, or a cartoon face, in some way that affects the tone that we hear when we read, just like our voice or our body affects the tone when we speak. So now that we have emojis, we have more control over tone, except that emojis are so new that we haven't all agreed on how they work. And this is why, for the time being, emojis are not considered to be professional language, all right? There's a lot of history here. It has to do with the court system. Like, emojis are not part of our legal documents, and so much of our business, including our emails, potentially including our texts and chat messages, so much of our business writing has potential legal consequences. And if we have potential legal consequences and emojis are not respected in court, then they're not going to be part of our business writing at this moment. Now, as I say that, you might be thinking, but I used an emoji in my email to my colleague this morning. Of course you did, because you know them, and so you have some trust with them already. It's not that they aren't in our professional business writing, but emojis at this moment are part of our informal professional conversation. They might show up in an email to a colleague. They might show up in text or chat during a meeting, right? But they're not going to be in contracts, policies, procedures, reports for probably decades, maybe a century. We need, just like those original punctuation marks, the period and the comma, we need enough collective agreement about what emojis mean and how they work before they will be allowed in our professional writing. But I can imagine a future where we no longer use a period. We use an emoji.